All 5 Satoru Gojo's techniques.
Hey everyone, let's dive into one of the coolest parts of Jujutsu Kaisen, the mind-bending physics behind Satoru Gojo's powers. It all starts with high schooler Yuji Itadori swallowing Ryomen Sukuna's cursed finger, becoming his vessel, and stepping into the hidden world of sorcerers fighting curses born from negative emotions. Created by Gege Akutami since 2018 and animated by MAPPA, this series turns math into magic. Satoru Gojo is hands down the strongest, most terrifying sorcerer alive, Yuji's mentor at Jujutsu High. Everyone thinks his Limitless technique is just a fancy force field, but nope. It's straight-up infinitesimal calculus brought into the real world, manipulating space, time, and even gravitational vibes through pure mathematics. Way back in 490 BC, Greek philosopher Zeno posed a brain twister. To reach a destination, you cross half the distance, then half again and again, forever. Infinite steps, right? In normal math, that infinite series converges, so the runner actually gets there. But Gojo flips the script on this paradox. Gojo's infinity aura stops the limit from ever converging. Attacks get trapped in those endless fractional steps, dividing space forever. The closer something gets, the slower it moves, crawling asymptotically toward him but never, ever touching. No solid shield, just a mathematical trap that says nope forever. Inspired by Einstein's general relativity, Gojo warps spacetime around him like a localized metric tensor distortion, kind of like a black hole's Schwarz-Schild metric, but neutral. No massive pull inward, spatial coordinates just stop advancing toward him. Reality's ruler gets bent so nothing closes the gap. There's an inner barrier radius where head-on attacks freeze infinitely, like hovering at a black hole's event horizon. Then an outer deflection radius handles glancing blows. Tangential velocity drops to 0, curving attacks smoothly away without ever hitting the full stop. Elegant swerve physics in action. Gojo cranks up cursed energy to create negative distance, a spatial vacuum. The universe hates a vacuum and rushes in to fill it, generating crushing attraction. Limbs twist, targets slam together into the same spot. Amplified azure blue turns at wide range, crushing everything nearby into dust. Flip it with positive energy from reverse cursed technique. Red forces spatial expansion at a point, condensing infinity then blasting it out. Massive repulsive shockwave, shoving everything away with explosive force. Fun fact, red packs at least twice the raw destructive output of blue. Blue is negative distance and implosive attraction, like cosmological blue shift, space compressing and wavelength shortening. Red is positive expansion and explosive repulsion, like redshift in an expanding universe, stretching things apart. Color-coded cosmic physics, basically. Combine blue's pull and red's push, you get hollow purple, an imaginary technique. Physics hates a point that pulls and pushes at once. It snaps the Lorentzian metric, creating instability that rips space apart at the atomic level. Total paradox weaponized. Imaginary here means the math unit I, generating imaginary mass, like tachyons in theoretical physics that break normal relativity rules. When imaginary mass hits real mass, it's nullification. Hollow purple doesn't burn or cut. It acts like reality's delete key, erasing matter completely from existence. Running infinite math 24/7 would fry anyone's brain, cognitive overload city. Gojo's rare six eyes trait is the fix, supercharged cursed energy detection and infinite processing power, plus constant reverse cursed technique healing his brain tissue faster than the Limitless can damage it. Built-in supercomputer and coolant system. Gojo's trump card shifts from physical space to cognitive space via information theory. Opponents get trapped in an empty void, the universe's center, flooded with limitless raw data and stimuli. No physical damage, just endless everything hitting their senses infinitely. Think of the brain as a receiver with finite bandwidth. Unlimited void is a DDoS attack on it. 0.2 seconds in Shibuya flooded victims with roughly 6 months of sensory info. Overwhelmed signal-to-noise ratio causes instant catatonia. Non-sorcerers need about 2 months to recover. Brutal overload. Gojo's power isn't brute magic. It's supreme math made flesh. He bends spacetime metrics for untouchability with infinity, weaponizes cosmic expansion and contraction to erase matter with blue, red, and purple, and exploits brain bandwidth limits to paralyze even gods with unlimited void. Proof that when physics enters reality, math becomes the ultimate power.
Hi, thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.